Hi guys, so I just wanted to come on here really quick. I'm editing right now. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm in my pajamas and I have a robe on. I'm like exhausted. I'm still jet lagged. There's a leak in my ceiling. Like they're a bit rough right now, but I'll tell you it's not rough. We hit 100 subscribers right before New Year's. It was so exciting. It was like everything I was wishing for, and I'm just so thankful and so grateful. So if you subscribed, I'm really appreciative, and I love you, even though I don't know you. Well, maybe I know you, but okay. Okay, so I'll see you next week. Happy New Year, and that's it. 42 days till my birthday. Okay. This is exciting. Where do I begin? I just realized how tedious this is gonna be. I need someone to help me open my liquid white. Good morning. Today we are doing, I don't know. I have no idea. Can you see that? Is that visible to your eye? Today we are doing a Bob Ross painting.
I'm so glad you could join me today. I've got a couple of my little friends here, a couple of little baby squirrels.
This was a trend like a year ago, but I've always wanted to do it, so I'm doing it today. I am in a different location. I'm home. I flew 15 hours. And I'm here in California, and I'm filming a Bob Ross painting. My clothes are ugly. These are my clothes from when I was in the 8th grade. This is what I'm painting with today. Here's my mother, come to bring me my liquid white. Thank you, dearie. Oh, it smells horrible. She's making me film outside in the corner because I'm not allowed to go inside. And if I get anything that's not on the painting, that's right, I might be executed. Call Child Protective Services, please. I bought the Bob Ross paint set because I'm committed, and I think I'll make this into a hobby if it goes well. Wait, God, how does Bob do this and remain so calm? I can't. I'm doing Winter Frost. Bob Ross, The Joy of Painting, Season 10, Episode 12, Winter Frost painting. It's winter, it's December 15th, and this just seemed appropriate. We got a lot to live up to, so let's do this.
I guess we have to go to work, guys. Hey, you ready to go to work?
Does Bob really use all these colors in one painting? I don't think so. Got my 1-inch brush, got my palette knife, and I got a small palette knife, and I got some 2-inch brushes, and let's paint. I need paint thinner. My mom graciously loaned me this Kirkland brand empty coffee ground container, and my dad gave me some paint thinner. Now Bob uses odorless paint thinner. My dad didn't have that, so let's hope that the paint thinner isn't too strong of a smell. How do you open this? God. Help! Paint thinner is so hard to open. Okay, well, you know, we don't need to thin some paint yet, so let's just get started. I'm gonna put the paints on this, what is this called? Like a paint thing?
I'm gonna put this paint on this paint thing.
This easel is an old lamp that my dad has graciously turned into an easel for me.
Crafty.
I don't know how to do this. I'm very nervous about this. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Ta-da! Oh, that is potent. Actually, it's kind of refreshing. It smells like gasoline, and I love the smell of gasoline.
Is this right?
Good enough. Where do I watch? This is difficult. I'm stressed.
1-inch brush.
I need to do my liquid white. Whoa, this feels wrong. Okay, wait, something's wrong, Bob. Do you have to like mix this up before you use it? Am I doing this right? Is this right? Ah, this is stressful. Okay, let's just be peaceful. We're in no rush. Do you see how disgusting this is? Look at that. Look at that. Something's wrong. Oh my God. And if I get anything that's not on the painting, that's right, I might be executed. Liquid white is on. Time to paint. Wait, do I need to beat the devil out of my paintbrush?
I'll start with a little touch of the cadmium. I'll reach over here and grab a little.
He gets a little bit of the cadmium yellow. I'm scared. Bob, help. Not bad. Maybe a tad more, you know? Oh no, shit.
Maybe we'll have a sun in the sky today, so decide where your sun's gonna live.
Wait a minute, his painting is the other way. This is dangerous. Bob!
Every time he goes out, I move, but he finds me.
I got this, don't worry about me. Oh! Wait, Bob, am I overdoing this? can't beat the devil out of this. We're gonna wipe the devil out of it, okay? I hope the devil has been beaten. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, Bob, you made pink. Now what do we do with this, Bob?
Just like so.
Oh, beautiful. Oh my God, I got it in the sun.
I'm not a very good cook. I burn Kool-Aid.
Okay, Bob, you're going too fast. Okay, I'd say not bad. Okay. Wow, I'm doing a good job, guys. Wow, this is exciting. What a thrill.
Just touch.
Phthalo
Just a touch of phthalo blue.
Just a touch. Is that a touch? No. This is relaxing. Okay, what's Bob doing next?
Be very simple to blend together. If you just draw big circles around here, it's a son of a gun to try to blend them together. Mirror it on right here.
A spider got on it. Get off the painting. Van Dyke brown.
Van Dyke brown and phthalo blue.
Kind of looks like shit. What are you thinking? Almost too beautiful to comprehend.
There we go. Just throw this on.
It hasn't really sunk in that I'm painting right now. I'm just trying to do a good job.
We may really be in trouble with this one.
Time to blend. Gotta beat the devil out of this one. Okay, devil is fully beaten. Let's just make sure we got all that devil out. What is Bob doing now? Bob, he's an enigma.
You can blend this as many times as you want.
It's looking good. Oh, this is difficult. Bob, the joy of painting, there's not much joy in it. Actually, I like it. I like that. I fucked it up. Just fucked it up.
You mess up the beautiful light area.
I hate beating the devil out of this thing. This isn't even a funny video because I'm so concentrated on doing a good job. I can't unleash my humor. We are 5 minutes into this video. Into the Bob Ross video. I think we're about an hour into my video.
Go across the entire canvas.
Go across the entire canvas? You psycho? I'm not doing that. Bob, I don't know. Bob, I don't think we should do that. Bob is psycho. Where can I beat the devil out of my paintbrush? I don't want the paint thinner to go everywhere.
You have a paper towel right there.
I need to beat the devil out of it.
How do you beat the devil out?
You beat it like this. This is how you beat the devil.
Actually, I want to get the cameraman. He's been giving me a hard time.
I think it's good. Yeah, you know, that could pass. Ooh, this is stress beyond belief. Bob wants me to put my finger in here. What the hell?
Here, now you could use a brush.
I think I would prefer that.
You just want to, and just go.
I'm scared. I'd rather not. Oh, fuck, it looks bad.
Here, the only thing you're worried about when you're building this mountain is a nice outside edge. You could care less what's happening in here.
Well, shit, Bob. Thanks for telling me now. Oh, you know, it doesn't look so bad.
Firmly pull it. Just pull it. And let it blend right down to nothing.
That doesn't look right. Titanium white.
No
Says
pressure.
No pressure.
Oh,
No pressure. Well, I feel the pressure. I hate my painting. This is my world and I hate it, Bob. No pressure. Looks bad. F me. Does that look like snow?
Just relax and enjoy.
I can't enjoy.
Probably one of the biggest problem areas that people run into.
I can see why. He is going crazy with the titanium white. No pressure. Bob, what the hell have you been doing? Oh my God. Whew, I'm lost. Can't cut across. How does Bob cut across so easily? This is more of an abstract piece. Wow, I am really struggling. Ah!
Looking good.
No, it doesn't. It's getting foggy. How is this looking? Oh, when you take a step back, it looks beautiful. How do you think?
It's great.
Really?
Honestly, I am impressed.
Country road, take me home. West Virginia.
Let's have some fun.
Let's have some fun. I could use some. Ooh, beautiful. The sun sucks. Someone, can you move my camera? I'm in the sun. Thank you. Oh, we got some shade. Yeah, the mountains are a bit shit.
Because we don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
Happy accidents. That whole mountain's one happy accident. Bob, stop it. I'm not done. Good enough. Ah, I love my mountains. In the viewfinder, my mountains look good. In real life, they look... wind.
Just come across. That's all there is to it.
Okay, liquid white and titanium white. Okay, the wind is picking up, which makes me a little bit apprehensive. Can you take a picture of me? Before it all turns to shit. Goes on the water line. He makes a water line. Okay, Bob, I'll do that for you. Is that looking good or is that looking bad? I would say bad. We're almost done. What's Bob up to these days? Well, Bob is dead. That's sad.
Soft and far away.
Let's move on. I just stepped in liquid white. I can't even hide this from my mom. Okay, we're almost done here. West Virginia. This was a bad idea. I never want to do this again. That's good enough. Looks like shit. Let's create some happy little trees. Take me away.
Let's get the old fan brush. I have a happy little evergreen. And he lives
Oh my god,
here.
this looks hard. Yeah, happy little evergreen. Ah, I did it! Yeah. Oh, cute! What about his friend? It's the quickest thing I've done in this tutorial. Well, this is not a tutorial. I need more paint, Bob. Well, now it just kind of looks like a blob. F me. What does he do? Maybe a third friend?
Maybe there's a little one there.
Little
I
one.
don't know. Another one.
Another one, Bob. You're getting crazy. That was a bad idea. Wow, this is not getting any better. What does Bob do now?
At least a little touch of phthalo blue.
It's done. So I finished this painting about a week ago. I'm not gonna lie, the camera died and I was impatient and I just wanted to get it done. So it's done. Jeez, this stuff is hard. Bob has a talent for just like persevering. This section here, garbage. You know, it's not the worst thing in the world. It could be a lot worse. You know, I got my wisdom teeth out a few days ago, so if my mouth looks really puffy,
That's why.
yeah, it's fine. You get the idea. I mean, that's a mountain. That's the sun. This is up to your own interpretation. Not bad for a beginner's first time. Anyway, that's all. That's all I have to say now. Do you want to see it up close? This is my portrait. Watch out, Bob. There's a new painter in town. Okay, so I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.